While you're still chasing Google rankings, smart agencies are already dominating ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity searches where their competitors can't even be found. I discovered this the hard way when my client asked why their brand never shows up when people ask AI for recommendations. Turns out there's a whole new world of answer engine optimization that most marketers are completely blind to. RankBamboo changes everything. This AI-powered platform tracks your brand's visibility across ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity. It shows you exactly where you're missing out and gives you the roadmap to fix it. The results? AI-referred traffic that converts 9 times better than regular search traffic. Your competitors are still playing yesterday's game while you dominate tomorrow's goldmine. Right now, you can grab the complete RankBamboo Bundle for just $297 instead of $697. That's everything you need to turn AI search optimization into your most profitable service. Don't let another client ask why AI ignores their brand. Get RankBamboo now and become the agency that owns the future of search.